So hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and we're going to be thanking 4 YouTubers with great YouTube channels for their generosity. So first one is GM Survival. So I just won his giveaway. So he put together this giveaway. So three YouTube channels contributed to this giveaway. So this is his part. He wrote the letters, 2 letters, and then he put in this nice ferro rod with this leather sheath. I just tried it out. It's like the best ferro rod that I own. It's good. And then he gave a bunch of fatwood shavings. He collected it. And then he also gave away some different chunks of fatwood that he collected. So the second YouTube channel I want to thank is Cheryl from Cheryl Hirsch DIY Fun. So she contributed a fire starting kit to this giveaway. Also a great channel. Jim Survival and Cheryl have great channels. So these are the contents of the kit. She made, I think, everything in the kit, including the bag. So, one sec. Okay, so she made these like egg carton fire starters. Then I didn't open these because I didn't want to like take them out of the package, but let me see. I think they're Vaseline cotton packets, these. Then this is Vaseline and cotton straws. She sealed them, straws, which I did before. It's a really good idea. Also, she put a candle. Candles are good fire starters, obviously. And she also made the bag homemade, which one of my favorite things is probably the bag. And in this Altoid, she made her own custom waterproof matches with with cloth to make char cloth. So that's what Cheryl contributed to the giveaway. Thank you. A good YouTube channel too. Also, Just in Time Prepping, he gave this cup with the giveaway, which is a really nice cup. I haven't used it yet, but Just in Time Prepping, if you're watching, nice cup. Also, the 4th YouTube channel, which is a great YouTube channel, is Danny Schwab. He entered the giveaway for me and he won, and then he passed all this nice stuff on to me. So those are 4 great YouTube channels. Links are going to be in the description. Cheryl from Cheryl Hirsch DIY Fun, GM Survival, Danny Schwab, and Just in Time Prepping. Go check them out. Link in the description. So please smash that like button. Subscribe to Happy Prepper. Our sub goal is 250 subscribers. So let's make that happen. And Happy Prepper out.